Hey, Nolan. What are you doing?
I find a piece like this for this crane.
Are you looking for it?
Yeah.
A specific set of proposals based on the work of your task.
I know.
And in the days ahead, I intend to use whatever weight this office holds to make them a reality. Because while there is no law that every senseless act of violence no piece of legislation
I'm getting sleepy.
Yeah. I found these
every act of evil.
light here by the
If there is even one thing
back.
to reduce this violence, if there's even one life that can be saved, then we've got an obligation to try. And I'm going to do myself.
It goes right here.
Awesome.
From here, I will sit at that desk and I will sign a directive giving law enforcement, schools, mental health professionals, and the public health community some of the tools they need to help reduce gun violence. We will make it easier to keep guns out of the hands of
I made it.
background checks.
I made this part.
What part is that?
It's Cass.
A cactus?
Cass.
We will make sure mental health professionals know their options for reporting threats of
I
violence.
found this
Even as we acknowledge
Christmas
that
tree
mental illness
piece
is far more likely to be a victim of violent crime than the perpetrator.
right here.
Awesome job. You got the corner.
Those who oppose even modest gun safety measures that threaten
This part goes this thing.
What part did you just put together, Nolan?
The stinky stew.
The stinky shoe.
Yeah, I don't like shoes because they're so yucky. Yeah, and they're so stinky.
Oh, yeah. All right, say bye.